Hi, welcome to SudokuEverywhere.com, where you can play Sudoku puzzles everywhere, on your computer screen or desktop, your phone, or even tablets. If you purchase a book from Amazon, where we have plenty of different puzzle books, once you have it at home, you can play the puzzle by actually using the page that it's printed on. Or if you'd like to play it online or on your phone or any other device, you just get this code that exists on each puzzle, and you take that code, so SEV 01013, and then you can enter it on the website by enter book puzzle code. So you can enter the puzzle code here. And this one was 01013. So we can just type the numbers in. And then press submit. And then it loads the puzzle in the Sudoku Player app, and you can play that Sudoku puzzle.